It's a hailstorm! Holy smokes! What's up, guys? As you can see, I can't do the video today. It's a hailstorm tonight. The hail, as you guys can see today, it's a oh my god, ow! Guys, we have a hailstorm. Guys, look at this. Okay, seriously, these are, like, look at it, go to the ground, guys. That's how hard the hail is. It's a good thing I came back from the park, guys. So, if you guys notice, it is a hailstorm right now, so keep in mind, hail are like hard hail. Stay at home if it's possible. Anyway, guys, enjoy this video.